Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gen Z Lab. This week we get to have a conversation with Seth and Nirva Ready about race and the gospel. You know, Gen Z is the most ethnically and racially diverse generation in American history, and this is a great opportunity for them to engage this through a gospel-centered lens. So I hope you enjoy this week's video.
It takes courage for sure to get out of your comfort zone, to want to hear another person's perspective and experience. Know that you will get things wrong. You'll say something silly. I know I do still say things that I shouldn't say. And it's all about learning and growing in a desire to walk in love and to get to know the person and to just establish a safe place where you can share your story and not feel threatened by someone else that has a total different experience than you. And I think it's best in the context of relationships, but you start somewhere. You just take the first step.